how to check if iPhone battery is genuine and original. So in order for you to check, what you want to do is from your home screen, go into settings, then we scroll down and tap on battery, and then scroll down and tap on battery health. Now in here you can see it shows battery health. This indicates that your battery is genuine and original. And here it will shows maximum capacity, cycle count, and manufacturer date and first use. If all of this information is not available, then in all likelihood your battery is not original, and you may even see a battery message. So if you go into battery health, you may see an important battery message like this: unable to verify this iPhone has a genuine Apple battery. Health information not available for this battery. So if your iPhone has been replaced with a non-genuine Apple battery, this is the message that you may get. And by looking at this message, you know that the battery is either not genuine. It can be a genuine battery, but however, it could be coming from a different iPhone. So that's how you can check. Just go into settings. So we go into settings in here and make sure all this information is available. If they are not available, then you have a non-genuine Apple battery. So when you see that battery error message, it will appear on iPhone, typically iPhone XS and later models. And when the battery has been replaced by someone other than Apple or Apple authorized service provider, essentially the problem is because of the pairing that Apple implemented. So starting with iOS 11.3, Apple implemented a feature that links your iPhone's battery to its logic board. Each battery has a unique serial number registered to the specific device it was originally installed in. So when a battery is replaced, even with another genuine Apple battery from different iPhone, the serial numbers won't match the phone's logic board. And only Apple and its authorized service providers have the proprietary tools and software to correctly pair a new battery to your iPhone, which makes this message disappear and restore your battery health feature. And with that, you can see all this battery health information in here. So that's it. That's how you can check. Thank you for watching this video.